Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Zoey's phone and your workstation. Connect the phone with a reliable USB cable and enable USB debugging so the PC can access system storage. Once connected, run your chosen recovery tool and create a full image of the device. This preserves the original state and prevents further corruption. Make sure the image is saved to a separate drive, not the phone. Only after imaging do you proceed to scan. This protects recoverable files and maintains chain-of-action integrity. You now execute the core recovery scan. Start with a quick scan to catch obvious files, then switch to a deep or raw scan to parse deleted or fragmented records. While scanning, apply filters for photos, messages, or contacts to reduce noise and shorten processing time. Once the tool lists results, preview files and mark only the items you need. Avoid selecting the entire dataset. Make sure to export recovered files to the separate drive or cloud, and keep the device read-only until verification. You finish by verifying and restoring Zoey's files. Open several recovered items to confirm readability and correct timestamps. Once satisfied, copy data to a secure location or restore selected files back to the phone using the recovery tool's Safe Restore feature. Make sure the phone remains plugged in and unlocked during transfer. After restoration, create a fresh backup and consider a factory reset only if necessary. If something goes wrong, revert to the device image and rerun recovery with a different tool or set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.